Here I have HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume up, volume down at the same time like this, and screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and we got it. So one last time, volume down, power key, and let's get it. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your screenshots, or perform some other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.